little bit north of San Antonio in the Texas Hill Country, and we have just turned off the paved road. We're coming out here to some property I got access to. We're gonna do a little camping, maybe a little hiking, see what kind of trouble we can find. Stay out here for a few days and see what kind of adventures come our way. Also do a little camp cooking, so stay tuned for that because I am already getting hungry. All right, let me go ahead and finish navigating to this campsite. I haven't been here in a while, so it may take some refreshing, and I'll get back to you. Finding a decent spot in Texas to camp without paying for it can be challenging none the least. Texas was its own country before it entered the Union in 1845 when it became a state. Part of the agreement was it maintained control of the vast majority of its land holdings. That, coupled with a culture of private land ownership, and finding a spot to dirtbag it can be next to impossible. Fortunately, this is my home territory, so I know one or two people I can call on. All right, we got camp set up, we got the fire going, Dutch oven is out, so now we're gonna prepare some jalapeno poppers tonight. Pretty simple. All it is 3 ingredients. We got jalapenos, cream cheese, and we got some bacon. Cut the jalapenos in half, scrape out the seeds, smear cream cheese in there, wrap it up in bacon, and we're gonna bake it in that Dutch oven for about 30-35 minutes. Should turn out pretty dang good. All right, so let me go ahead and get started and get to cutting into these things. There we go, that's the last one. All right, we got 8. Go ahead and put them in the Dutch oven, grab some coals, and get to baking. Well, there we go. 8 fits in there just perfectly. Let me go ahead and put some coals underneath the trivet, and we'll go ahead and start the clock on these guys. The Dutch oven by far is my favorite apparatus to prepare food with whilst camping. What I like about it is it forces you to be in a relaxed frame of mind. If you try to get your fire too hot and cook things too quickly, you'll end up with one or two situations. 1, a hot mess, or 2, a spicy disaster. The way I'm setting my coals up for the jalapeno poppers is just a little pile right in the center of the trivet, then a light layer going all the way around the circumference of the Dutch oven. After that, I'll put a light layer of coals on top and check it about every 10 minutes. It's been about a little over 35 minutes. Let's see what we're doing here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna call that done. Very nice. Get down. Take these off the fire. These have cooled down and I'm about ready to dig in. See, I'll try this guy right here. All right. Oh yeah. Not bad, not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and tear into the rest of these. Get back to you in a few. Well, those poppers hit the spot. Now it's time to do the right thing. So do a little Dutch oven maintenance, get her all nice and cleaned up so she's ready for the next time we want to use her. This is a fairly simple process. I just boil the pot with some water for about 10 minutes or so. That loosens up any of the crud or stubborn food particles that may have gotten spackled on there. I'm a procrastinator by nature, so I try to stay pretty diligent about cleaning this thing immediately after each use. Keeps it from turning into a science experiment while I'm out there camping. It's fall in Texas, so the temperature is about perfect for sleeping in a hammock. Unfortunately, the region I'm in hadn't gotten any measurable rainfall in about 48 days now, so I think I can roll the dice on not putting up any overhead cover. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, how's she doing? Oh yeah, she's boiling. That's pretty good. There we go. That softened up all the nastiness in there. Coming right off. Perfect. Give her a light coat of olive oil. She'll be good to go. All right, we got the sun sinking pretty quick, so I'm going to go ahead and end it on this one. Just got to let that fire burn down a little bit more. We already got the hammock set up, so camp is good and squared away. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, adios.